Hi, I'm Craig Strong with Lensbaby. In 2004, my business partner Sam Pardue, who co-founded Lensbaby with me, showed up at a trade show in Las Vegas thinking that we had started a great little side gig that was going to be, a few hours a week for each of us. And you showed up. Our community of photographers showed up. We sold out within 8 or 9 days of that trade show of what we thought was going to be a year's supply worth of Lensbabies. And that launched Lensbaby into becoming a brand. And it helped us develop new products. It helped us bring more and more options to you. Now we have filters, we have standalone lenses, we have optic swap optics, we have 4 or 5 different effects of the lenses, dozens of effects for flare and filtration and colors and all sorts of crazy stuff with the Omni filter system. If you haven't checked out Lensbaby yet, this is a really good time because we're having an anniversary sale. Please go to lensbaby.com, see what we've got, see if there's something that you want to play with, try it out. Anything that you can do to build your creativity, do it. And at Lensbaby, there's also community. There are so many great, vibrant communities of photographers that are out there to help. So please give it a shot. Go to lensbaby.com, help us celebrate 20 years in business.